Hi everyone, welcome back. Yesterday we have discussed about append function for multiple tables, how to stack tables, and today we'll discuss about merge. Merge is like VLOOKUP in Excel, and I'm going to show you today how to use merge function. It's quite simple. With few clicks, we can just have what we want. So let's jump in this. So I have here in this folder here two Excel files. One is production table, where I have some recordings, part numbers, quantities, and so on. And what I'm interested is to add a new column in our query with the cycle time for each part number. So in order to do that, we'll import both Excel files in Power BI. Here is the table with the cycle times. And now let's just open Power BI. We will get our data. First, we take a cycle time table. We'll just load it, and then we take production table. Click load, and now we go with the second one. Okay. Still processing. Loading data. Okay. Second table, production table, open it. Now we can see our sheet, Excel sheet, our table, transform data. So I'll rename this as production table. Table. Let's enter. And I will just need to bring this data up. So I'm going transform, use first row as headers once again, and we have it in the right position. We will delete the last two rows because they are empty, and the format of the table is okay. It is what we want. We have numbers, text, date, numbers, everything's okay. We're going now in cycle time table. It's okay. First thing we need to do now is to just go in home, merge queries, and we can select, let's say, for example, merge queries as new, but we also have the option to merge queries directly here. So I'll take it as new. I have my first table cycle time here. I can choose each one of them. Now below I will choose production table, and now I'm looking to connect after part number columns in the first table and the second one. I have no errors. I will click OK, and now I get this table here at the last column. I just need to expand it. Click OK, and everything looks fine. Now what I can do, because I selected after part number, I also have here my initial column with part numbers from production table. I can just delete this one. It's quite similar. I can move now my cycle time column here, and everything is arranged. So for each part number we have all cycle times now. And this is about merge function, which actually is acting like VLOOKUP in Excel. I can just rename this as, let's say, final table. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this, and see you next time.